that ocean. This is a lot.
Oh.
We're at the car.
You're at a car show and truck show? Ocean View?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over here we got more.
We have more to see. Okay.
Yeah, it's barely open.
Okay, we just got here. We're gonna go check out some trucks, some cars. Don't get too close. Don't get too close, Mom.
It's here.
Interior?
No. The whole body. Look at this.
Some Mustang? A Chevy?
That's an all interior. Inside. Go here. Look. Look at the rooms.
Okay, vente.
Inside. Gotta take a look. Inside.
You see inside. It's all original.
Look at the back.
Okay.
This is a Chevy. That one. Look at here. Look at the interior. Nice interior.
Nice interior.
Look at the rooms.
Okay.
Look, sorry, look at the Chevy. Look at the front. The tailgate. Iron mirror.
Oh, look at this one. I like Daddy's truck that he's fixing. Alejandro.
Oh no, you're gonna leave.
It's a nice truck.
Yeah. This is a Chevy 10.
A C10. Color's really nice. ¿Y dancing, cabrones? ¿Los dos carnales? ¿Tell our more? Alejandro's over there singing. Los dos carnales. Is it a fork? Okay, right there is fine, Alejandro. Oh, that one's nice. Let me see the insert. Oh, look at the... No, this is a Chevy.
Oh, Chevy. And look at the ring.
Okay.
Look at the, take a look at the
Firebird. This is a Firebird mod. Long.
I think
They probably use it for racing.
well, that's a nice shiny motor.
We've had plenty of cars growing up that we had sold. Got rid of, yeah. I said, you're gonna regret it.
Look at the tires. I forgot to show you the tires. Look at the rings.
Come.
Take a look inside the interior.
Whoa, this looks comfy. Super big inside.
Chevy. Oh, look, it's
Impala, it
got
says.
lines.
I think it has.
Chevy?
No, it's an Impala. Yeah.
Chevy Impala?
Hmm?
Look at this room. Look at the whole truck. Hello, my name on here and my personality.
Oh, Alejandro wants to show you his head. He did like he chose everything he wanted to put on it. He likes. Let me see. Don't move. Let me show them the Dos Carnales because he likes the music of them and he sings a couple of songs. And then Jesus, his name. He chose the letters and the Dos Carnales and the color of the hat. No, no. Nice paint job. All smooth. And there's another one over here. Oh yeah, they're from a different state. Wait, let me see. Another one over there. Another one over there. Eh? Like that one? Look, another one like the one that he's fixing.
I know what my dad's fixing.
¿Esta también?
My dad was fixing.
I like the color of this one. So creamy color.
This is a nice one. We got to see it. Hey, take a look at the interior. Oh, look at the
Let's look
interior.
inside. On the caja, the box.
Oh, look at the